Hello, and welcome back to this channel. Today's gonna be a very fun video because today we are gonna be replacing pretty much all the gross algae-full sponges in the aquaponics. Pretty much what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be replacing each plant with more balls, I guess, clay, pebble balls. I don't know the exact name, but hopefully this can block the light from getting in and forming just a huge amount of algae. So it'll really just depend on what happens throughout the next week with this new thing, and I really hope we have enough pebbles to do this. So I'm going to slowly do updates as we get more done. I'm going to try to use all the plants throughout this, from cutting all the sponges to get the roots. And yeah, so before we start, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you do not miss our video. And please like this video. Let's go and start today's video. Okay, so first of all, I don't really think I'm going to have enough clay pebbles to do all of those, but whatsoever, I'm trying to take the plants out of the sponges, so I cut this one kind of just on one of the sides, and well, there's a plant, and I can't get any of the roots off because the roots just kind of form like this insanely strong grip against the sponge. So whatsoever, I cannot get the roots successfully out without damaging the plant. So I think I might just kind of stall throughout the next few days, try to get a little bit more pebbles, and then I'm just gonna leave these in the aquaponics for a little bit. I might just cover the one systems up, the one holes that I just took the plants out. So I did 2 plants, and yeah, so I do hope this method idea thing does work. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I might just throw those in the system, and then yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to try to figure out something else to make sure I can get this done. So I might go ahead and just re-germinate some stuff because I do have a ton of extra seeds and everything that I want to move. So I might just go ahead and try to germinate those, but I really don't know how, because if I do try to germinate stuff, I don't know what to germinate it in. If I should start to germinate it in like a towel or like something like that. So I might think of what to do, and then I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I have 2 ideas. Either I can get a towel pretty wet, not soaked, and then I could dump those, fold the towel on that, and then turn up the lights in the germination room, and then that could work. But then I do run into a problem. It is just roots. The chances of it looking like this is like 50-50. I can't guarantee it will look like this. So the problem with what I'm saying is, like, I'm trying to decide if I should, like, this might just be the best idea. If I could fill up one of those pots with like coconut coir, dump a ton of seeds on top, try to get those to germinate, and then once they look like, I'm gonna use this as an example, but these are a little too big. Once they look a little bit like those little ones right there, I might take them out because it'll be a lot easier to pull those roots out or dig them up, and then move them to the pebbles. So I think that might be one of the best ideas. Now the thing is, a lot of the plants I'm going to be working with do take a lot longer. So parsley takes an insane amount of time to germinate. So I don't really know what I'm going to do with that bottom shelf. Well, I guess there's only one on the bottom shelf that I'm a little bit nervous about. Tango will take a little bit, but all the lettuce will be very quick, and basil will be pretty quick. It'll take probably an estimate about 2 to 5 days. So hopefully we would be able to start doing this by the weekend, because today is Tuesday and this video will be going out on Wednesday night. So there's that, and then I also need to place an order for those pebbles. So I guess I'll go ahead and start doing both of those, and I'll see you guys in a second once I am starting to put down the seeds. Alright, so I actually just finished. I was going to do some updates, but I was getting stuff done so quickly. I just didn't want to take a break to film for 30 seconds and then get back. So I really do need to kind of water them a little bit more to help the germination process be a little bit quicker. But we got basil, tango lettuce, butter crunch, we got parsley, red ruby lettuce, and then we got grand lettuce. So a lot of these will take somewhere about 3 days. Pretty much all the lettuce will take about 3 days. Tango, from the first time I germinated it, Tango will take about 5 days. Parsley will take about a week and a half. So there's that. And then basil, I think that'll probably be about 5 days, maybe a week by the time I really feel happy with the growth. So I think I'm gonna wait till some of the stuff is about this size or a little bit smaller, and then yeah. So let me water this really quick, and then that'll be the end of the video. All right, I just finished watering. Now today's video was actually a lot shorter than I wanted it to be, but I'm very, very happy and satisfied that I was able to come to a conclusion, and this is the plan, and this is what we're planning to do. Also, I do kind of want to talk about the shrimp setup really quick. Now, if you guys saw our other videos where I've been talking about the setup lately, it would go on this shelf. Now, we are doing a little bit of some work with it to see if stuff would work. So I really just want to clarify this really quick because I had some confusion earlier on our videos yesterday. So that setup is a 50-50 chance. We might do it, we might not. If we would do it, it would happen in May. It would be a summer type of project, a spring, summer type of project. So it's not going to be happening within the next like 3 months. So I just want to say that really quick. If you guys happen to have that question, also if you guys have no clue what I'm talking about, I recommend checking out one of my most recent videos because then you'll understand, because I've really been talking about it lately. So back to this type of topic. This is going to be the end of the video, so please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you do not miss our video, and please like this video. I just want to give a second to thank you all for watching today's video and supporting the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.